EndeavourOS 20260112, codenamed Ganymede Neo, is the first ISO refresh of 2026 for this popular Arch-based rolling release distribution. Designed as a bridge between major milestones, this version focuses on providing a stable and updated entry point for new users, ensuring that a fresh installation doesn't immediately require gigabytes of updates. It maintains the project's terminal-centric philosophy, offering a near-vanilla Arch experience with the user-friendly Calamares installer and the signature welcome app. While existing users on a running system are already updated via the rolling release model, this ISO provides the latest core stack, including the Linux 6.18 LTS kernel, Mesa 2533 graphics drivers, and Firefox 146, all aimed at ensuring better hardware compatibility out of the box. The most significant shift in this release is the transition to NVIDIA Open Kernel modules by default for the proprietary driver option. This change mirrors upstream Arch Linux movements and means that the proprietary installer now exclusively supports Turing-based GPUs, GTX 1600/RTX 20 series, and newer. Users with older NVIDIA hardware are now automatically directed to the open-source Nouveau drivers. Beyond driver changes, the development team resolved a frustrating bug that caused extended startup times for the Calamares installer, making the initial setup process significantly snappier. Additionally, the Nemo preview package was removed from the default Cinnamon and Budgie installation bundles following its removal from the Arch repositories, and the core installer was bumped to version 26.0115 to provide a more reliable deployment environment.
Turn up. Let's go. One.